Amaz Hearthstone, Beauty Within, Neko Princess, Sweetiebutt, LeendaDProductions, Freddie Wong, ViveKatt, Riceman, Yumi King, bubzbeauty, VanossGaming, Maqaroon, LeendaDProductions, IAMKARENO, Chen, the Fung Brothers, FruityPoppin, Pumpkin Jenn, Tingting Asthma, Wengie, more Wengie 15 of 50, the most beautiful female YouTubers 17 of 99, the greatest vloggers of all time.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.